You can access the patient's visit note from the app drawer, patient list, patient chart, or the appointment module. To begin with, click on Start Visit Note. A visit note is a detailed document created by the healthcare provider during or after a patient visit. It includes essential information about the patient's condition, treatment, and any actions taken during the appointment. The patient's demographic details are automatically filled in from the patient chart. Select the visit type and layout. The visit layout is fully customizable, allowing clinics to set it up based on their specific needs. Choose the date of visit, time, rendering provider, physician assistant or nurse practitioner, facility, and referring provider. The autosave feature ensures that any data entered is saved at regular intervals, so you do not have to manually click Save. Subjective information, including chief complaints, history of present illness, family history, social history, surgical history, review of systems, medications and allergies, and the problem list, are automatically populated from the patient chart if available. The physician records objective information such as vital signs and physical examination during the patient's assessment. After the assessment, the physician will enter the diagnosis and procedure codes. In the plan section, the physician enters plan notes, adds e-prescriptions, creates immunizations, enters patient instructions, and updates patient educational resources. The clinical dictionary suggests commonly used keywords to speed up text entry in the visit note. The referral letter allows the physician to send the patient to a specialist for further care. The follow-up option is used to schedule future appointments after the patient's current visit. To add, edit, view, and populate physician orders, simply click on the side icon. Once all the details are filled in, click Save. Mark the visit note as completed, and sign the note to finalize it. Go to Visits module, preview the visit note from the side menu and download it. Additionally, generate ESB from the visit note.